Death could not hold you. The field tore before you. Silence.
So guys, let's do my face mask. This is the Medicube face mask. I just ho ho ho. A white beard would suit me. Don't you think?
So cute. So cute. When I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag.
It's pink and purple in the sky. No, 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 no.
Every night out. Paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet.
My lovies, me and my sisters went out on a little date and we were having so much fun. My sister's always saying that I'm not funny, but she was laughing like a hyena, left and right and center, acting crazy in this very demure place. She needs help most of all. Yes, she does.
So I am officially like finishing my maintenance today. I am doing my hair. As you can see, I am getting my hair installed. I just did bottom lashes for the third time. This is the first time they've ever worked out, you guys. I am so in love with the results of my lashes. They're so tea. And for first I was like, I don't feel them, but now I feel them so much. I'm gonna show you guys like results. My face is a little dewy because I was doing skincare. Oh my gosh. So I am getting my hair installed using my phone to light myself up. I genuinely love these lashes. I don't even think you guys can see them. I'll take a video so that you can see.
What the dog doing?
tomorrow is Thursday, right? We're going to slay. I've not slayed like 2 days. Let me tension this girl.
Fighting to belong, trying to make it seem like we're so.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
I'm very excited for these dumplings. Let's try them out.